Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's word of the day is Auburn. We are talking Auburn hair. So I started by braiding up my hair. I did 4 separate little braids rather than full cornrows because I don't know how to do that. So I did my best. We're doing 2 wigs today. They're cheap, they're great, and they're all linked below in the description. First off, we have the 𝗘𝗶𝗀𝗀𝗲𝗀 Salt and Pepper Lace Unit number 3. I got it in color Flamboyage Chocolate. And here are all the colors they come in. Let's get this wig started. So right out of the package, I'm just going to show you what it looks like, the hair texture. It has a very kinky, curly texture as though it was straightened, but you can still see the texture to it. I like a little texture to my hair. I think it makes it easier to work with. It flows really nicely. It does have minimal shedding, I will say, but overall the feel is nice. The lace is quite light, so you're going to have to use foundation, but the quality of the lace is very nice. It does have small netting, which is good, and the fit is quite good too. It's a little snug, but I also do have basically a bun at the back of my head. It lays flat. I'm going to need to definitely lay the top part down for the little bump by the parting, but I still love it. As you can see, there's some baby hairs. It's pretty sparse. It's not really a baby hair wig, but it works. The length is interesting. It's a little longer than shoulder on me, but I do like the motion of the layers. It's a little more blonde than I expected, but I do kind of like that. So now I've cut the lace just to give you a quick look of how that looks. I put a little powder on it. As you can see, it doesn't really have a long sideburns on this wig, which for me, because I have long sideburns, is a little tough, but the layers, the face framing layers, work really well to cover that. As you can see, I was discovering how light this lace is. It's white basically. So I went in some more just so you guys can see what it could look like. I haven't glued it down. This is just, I'm doing a glueless look right now to show you what it looks like. But this wig was not expensive. It was really easy to get. I got it online, ebonyline.com. I do like the look of it. The blonde is a little different for me. I was going for more chocolate, but I do think it has a lot of texture and layers to it of the color that really make it interesting. I think I don't like how heavy the front is. So either I'm gonna cut it or I'm gonna add a bit more of a curl to it so that it doesn't just fall in my face, because having a longer face shape makes it difficult to often do these kinds of styles with a heavy front facing layers. Here I am trying to show the different ways you can style it, like a bit more volume in the back versus all that hair in the front. I do think that the parting is very natural looking. I love the way that the parting looks, especially once it's glued down. Now here I am trying to do a sort of side part, because for my face I prefer a side part. It started out interesting, but wait a second, it's about to get cute. So now you can see I do like this side part look. I might just make this wig into a side part. I love that you can see the layering of the bob more with the side part. It's really cute. What do you think? Which one do you like more? The middle part or the side part? Let me know your thoughts. It's giving 90s, maybe a little Jennifer Aniston, a little, layered bob look. I love it. Here's a full view of the color. Yeah, the straight layers are not for me. I'm probably going to curl it a bit more. Next we have the Melted Hairline by Outre, and this is in the style Kamiyah. Just look at that color. Already in the box, I'm obsessed. The deep oranges and caramels and browns of this are just beautiful. As you can see, it's a very long wig. I can't remember how many inches exactly, but it should be in the description box. Let's get this on our heads and see how it looks. Once again, the lace is quite light. However, this parting is even more natural than the last wig. I love it. Oh my, okay, as you can see, it's a lot of volume. But that lace really does melt. Even without the glue, it's giving melted. I was amazed by how easily this hair brushed through and how silky soft it feels. The shine is a very natural, healthy shine to it, and you can just run your fingers through that hair extremely easily. The layers are perfectly face framing, and it feels like it could almost be a human hair blend. I really love this wig, guys. I mean, I just couldn't believe how soft and silky it felt. Here's a view from the back, all of the layers. Now this is it with the lace cut. Can you tell I am obsessed? Like, this is the one. The color is in the description below. I didn't take a video of it, but just know this is the one. I was feeling myself. Listen, this wig had me feeling it. The color, the cut, and now I thought, okay, let me add some volume, see what it looks like tussled, a little tussle look. Here's the parting, a close view of the center part. It's pre-plucked, it seems. I didn't need to add anything. A little bit of powder. The sides do lift quite easily, so that's going to definitely be a glue wig. You're not going to want to wear this glueless. If the wind picks up, it's gone. I also love if you have it behind you. The face framing layers hit perfectly. I love it. This one is definitely a recommend. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like these two short and long styles. See you guys soon. Bye!